Welcome to this short tutorial on how to place a trade on an iPhone. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is find your app store, and you're going to want to search for MetaTrader 4. And once you selected it, you can obviously go ahead and download it. I already have it, so I'm just going to go ahead and click open. It's going to bring you to a page that looks much like this. And what you're going to want to do is go down to the bottom right-hand corner and click on Settings. Now I want you to click on New Account and open a demo account. Okay? And in this search bar, I just want you to search for Hugo's Way Demo 3, and you'll see Hugo's Way Demo 3 pop up there. Select that, and you can just input your regular information here. Now, the only thing I want you to change is the deposit amount. I just want you to pick a number that feels comfortable to you. So I'm going to go ahead and click on 3,000. And then on the top right-hand corner, you're just going to click on Register. Okay? Now, you can take a screenshot of this just for your own records, and then you can click on Done at the top right-hand corner. Okay, now it's time to place a trade. So let's say we want to take a trade with the Aussie US dollars, so the very top one here. So just go ahead and click on that, and it's going to bring up these options. So you can click on Trade. Now, up at the top, you'll see where it says Market Execution. When you click on that, it's going to give you a drop down with a few different options. What I'd like you to do is to go back to either the bootcamp or the academy videos to find out what each one of these options means and an explanation for them. For today's purposes, we're just going to use market execution, so I'll go ahead and click on that. Okay, so now the number directly below where it says market execution right here, this is what we call your lot size. And again, in the academy, it's going to teach you what a lot size is and how you go about changing it and calculating it. For today, we're just going to input a number for our purposes, just so that I can show you how to place a trade, okay? So we're gonna use a lot size of 0.1. Now, right where you see it says stop loss, I can click just to the right of that where it says not set, and it's gonna auto-populate. Now, I'm going to set a number just a little bit different than that, just so that we have a number in there. Again, the Academy is going to show you how to calculate these numbers, so don't worry about that. I just want to show you the inner workings of how to place a trade, not necessarily why you're placing a trade or with what numbers you're placing the trade. So we're going to leave that number in stop loss. Same thing with take profit. We're just going to go ahead and set a number here. Okay, so as you can see, our stop loss number is smaller than our take profit number, which means that we're going to be taking a buy on this trade. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Buy by Market. Okay, and you can see that our trade is open here. So to navigate the MetaTrader 4 app, the bottom left-hand button where it says quotes, you're going to click on that to be able to find your quotes, your pairs that you're going to trade. If you see one that if you're looking for one that you don't see here, simply click on the plus button and you can search for that pair in the search bar. Okay, when you come back here at the bottom left hand, second to the left, where it says chart, this is where you can open up the chart for the pair that you're looking at. And again, you can zoom in, zoom out, do what you need to do on this chart page, which you'll learn more about again in the Academy. Now, the really important button is the one in the middle that says Trade. Okay, now you can see when I click on that, this is going to open up a screen that houses all of my open trades. So you can see we have that one trade open that we just placed. And in order to modify that trade, what you can do is swipe to the left, and you're going to get this bar come up. Okay, so the one to the the little button to the very right-hand side, that's going to open up your screen. Okay, so again, if you want to look at the the chart for that individual pair, you could just click on that. So if we go back to trade, swipe left again. If you click on the plus sign, it's going to allow you to place another trade with that pair. Okay, swipe left again. If we want to modify the current trade that we're in, we're going to click on the little pencil. Okay, and we can come in here and we can, change one of the numbers. Let's say we're going to change our stop loss a little bit. And once we've inputted that number, then we can click on modify. Now our trade is modified. Now, if we want to close our trade, swipe left again, click on the check mark, and you can see here where it says close with a loss of $2.40. So if this was in profit, it would say close with profit of such and such, say $2, okay? So just so you can see how it works, I'm gonna click close with a loss, and there we go. It no longer shows up on our trade screen, but you can see the new numbers reflecting the results of that last trade. So guys, that is a quick tutorial on how to place a trade on an iPhone device.